Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into how to manage a virtual classroom with Notion. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you'll need to create a new workspace on Notion. This will serve as your virtual classroom. To do this, click on the plus New Workspace button on the left panel, give it a name, and click Create. This is important because it's where all your class materials, discussions, and assignments will live. Now that we've done that, let's set up the classroom layout. Click on plus New Page within your workspace. From here, you can add a variety of blocks to organize your classroom. You might want to include things like a syllabus, a class calendar, and a space for assignments. This helps us because it keeps everything in one place, making it easier for both you and your students to find what you need. Next up, we're going to invite students to the workspace. Click on Share in the top right corner, and then Add a Member. You can either add their email addresses individually, or if you have a lot of students, you can upload a CSV file with all their emails. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone has access to the materials and can participate in the classroom activities. With your students added, it's time to set up some basic rules and permissions. Click on Settings and Members in the left panel, and then Permissions. From here, you can decide what your students can and can't do. For example, you might allow them to comment on pages but not edit them. This is important because it helps maintain order in your virtual classroom and ensures that your materials aren't accidentally changed or deleted. Last but not least, you'll want to set up a communication channel. Click on plus New Page again, but this time choose Discussion Board. Here, students can ask questions, discuss assignments, and more. Let me explain why this matters. This is your virtual equivalent of raising a hand in class. It's where all classroom interactions will happen. In summary, managing a virtual classroom with Notion is as easy as setting up a workspace, organizing your layout, inviting students, setting permissions, and creating a communication channel. By taking these steps, you can create an organized, collaborative environment for your students to learn in. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your virtual classroom with Notion. Thanks for tuning in and happy teaching.